Get ready, Samsung fans. This week is all about Samsung leaks leading up to next week's big Galaxy S24 series reveal on January 17th. We've seen and heard a lot already, but there's always something new popping up. The latest buzz is thanks to a leak from Ice Universe, who shared a brief video of the Galaxy S24 Ultra. This sneak peek shows off what seems to be a really flat display with sharp corners. If there are any curves on this phone, they're barely there, a big change from the curvy Ultra models we're used to. It looks like Samsung's gone all in on a flat design for the S24 Ultra. There's not much new to say about the S24 Ultra's looks that hasn't been said already, but let's give it a shot. The phone's frame? Super flat and sharp. The centered punch hole for the camera? Still there. And like its predecessors, the new Ultra model looks both powerful and high-end. It just oozes premium quality. So, keep your eyes peeled for more updates on Samsung's next phone. And don't forget to hit that bell notification. You don't want to miss any new leaks or details I drop. Stay tuned.